motherfucking borough. From Staten to Brooklyn to Queens to Bronx and Harlem, all the way to Maryland. Yeah, we coming from Harlem. Bobby Tarantino to the digital. My shit is pivotal. Smoking chronic, no medicinal.
Goodbye to the 3 subs that we lost due to lack of uploads. We haven't uploaded in about 2 or 3 weeks. School started. I don't go to school, but this guy does. That has nothing to do with it. We've just been lazy, and 9-0 decided to just leave us hanging here. And does it look like we know anything about recording? No, we can barely fix a car. So, we're back. We're gonna start uploading again, hopefully regularly, hopefully weekly or bi-weekly.
Every 3 weeks.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. So today we're just gonna do kind of a hangout video. We got some work to do. I'm doing a serpentine belt on a BMW X5, so you're gonna see a little bit of that. Yeah, let's get started.
Oh fuck.
Dude, I like your fob shoes.
Thanks, dude.
Dude. Can I pan to your shoes? Or see if you can pan to your shoes?
Boom.
Boom. The Samba's classic.
Shit, where am I sitting?
Oh. We are going on a journey far, far away to Home Depot.
Yes. It's like down the road, but 3 minutes. But
we need the best of the best Torx sockets, so we're gonna probably get Husky.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, some Husky. See, this guy just came from Home Depot. Home Depot, if you want to sponsor us,
yeah,
we'll take it.
Or Husky.
Or Husky.
Husky would be better, but Home Depot, you're second.
Yeah,
second.
Snap-on hit us up too.
Snap-on.
Snap-on, if you could really rock it, though, that'd be...
Yeah, that'd be pretty... I mean, I don't know if you see my garage, but I got posters and shit. Okay, not posters. I got all sorts of decorations up. Repping the Snap-on.
Send it.
I'm not trying to kill my buzz around.
Yeah, please. Don't ever give this guy Monster. When he's burping, man, he gets fucked. It smells like shit.
I'm starving. I'm ready for food.
Where's my food? Our waiter's taking forever, bro.
Yeah, it's our waiter's fault. We should probably not tip him again.
Fuck that guy.
Remember that beat-up chick?
Yeah,
oh, there you go.
It looks like my ex's car, bro.
Which one?
All of them. Roasted!
All my exes live in Texas. Like
oh shit, I can't show 9-0. Fuck me. Oh shit! You're gonna have to edit that part out, bro. Or blur it. That'd be funny if you blurred it.
Black figure.
Don't show me. What? We got 30 seconds, boys. Come on, keep talking.
That's how you top off your douche flute.
Nothing odd going on over here or anything.
Just douche fluting, needing topping off. Okay?
Only 4 banging turbo owners have this.
I was running low.
We will be doing an unofficial unboxing of this Torx set. $26. Because you can't buy a T60 by itself. Here it is. It is now unboxed.
I'm keeping this one.
Hey!
Okay. That's it. That's all I got. So a little scenario change here. We stopped at Akko's house. We're gonna do the change of the lug nuts on Brandon's RS.
Got some new wheels and the locking ones did not fit anymore.
Yeah, the problem was the locking nuts were the diameter was too big for the holes in the new wheels. So he ended up getting new lug nuts off Amazon. We got the Muteki. We learned our we learned our lesson. Don't buy the aluminum ones, buy the steel ones. They just last longer, they may be more, but the thing is when you take them on and off a couple times, they just get damaged and lose their shine and they cross thread easy. So we'll get some nice shots of the nice new wheels and the lug nuts and all of that. So let's get to it.
Back at it with the R18 Honda. So a little update. We swapped the eBay coilovers to some K-Sport ones. They're still kind of bad. They're not as bad as eBay. They're a lot better, but they're a little rusty because, long story short, I used it off my buddy's SI and or I took it off my buddy's SI and put it on mine, and it's a lot better. That's how you save money. Next thing, we didn't upgrade while cameraman was gone, and we got ourselves an intake system on my car. It's a short ram intake, and it's from DC Sports, and it was annoying to install because we had to rip apart a lot of shit, and it looks a lot better and it sounds a lot better. And then upcoming, we have a header installed for my car, DC Sports as well. So hopefully we'll see you guys soon.
Now we'll be installing, I almost knocked that out of 10, this fucking back glass spoiler, I guess, for the 7th time because rear visor. We've tried Gorilla tape, Gorilla double-sided tape, it didn't work. We've tried, it was a pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
He didn't even know that Jimmy Oaks' thing was a pineapple, but he just eBay copped it. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this on.
This was for you ladies.
So we did a bunch of little random stuff today. Started at my house, got a couple things done. Came here, worked on the RS a little bit, changed those lug nuts out. Did some stuff to the Lamborghini.
Which you gotta check out in another video.
Yep, we got more stuff coming for that. That should be a good video.
So
Good luck
those
to
3
BB.
subs that left, just wanna say, fuck you guys.
Whoa, hey, take it down a notch.
We don't need you 3.
Okay.
It's cool.
Yeah, so like, share, dude, why are you so salty? Subscribe, and join the club.